Hello, future designers and developers, and you can see right here that I have some text that I need to get visible and format right over here. So that right there, if I remember correctly, we placed that inside of our H2. Yeah. So we're going to go back over here, and right underneath H1, I am going to edit an H2. So now for the H2, we'll set the color to white just so we can see it. And then we are going to set our font family to Oswald. This one was the semi-bold, so the font weight should be at 300 or 500. Cool. And now we want to, ooh, I love that transition. That's nice. They just kind of appear. That's nice. Cool. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to make sure that this is actually centered. So what we're going to do is that is placed inside of our banner text over here. So we are just going to align items center. Never mind. We're going to do a margins auto or margin auto. There we go. Now we want to change the size of that font. So back inside of the H2, we're going to say font size. Let's make that 50 point font and see if that's good. Cool. That looks pretty good. And then I am also going to do a text align center. Cool. That's looking pretty good. Pretty good. Everything kind of snaps into place. Sweet. So now the last thing that we have to do is add in our box shadows over here. What we're going to do for that is we are going to go to, remember I had us create IDs and classes. So this will allow us to change all of them at the same time. So I'm going to call out that class that was .project. And over here, I am going to add a box shadow. Now I want my shadow to go all the way around on all the edges. So I am going to set its properties at 0, 0, and then 20 pixels all around. There we go. They are all scrunched together because I never put in a grid gap. So inside of container over here, I'm going to say grid column gap. That was set at 15 pixels. Oh, well, not grip column gap, grid. Shoot. Pixels. There we go. So nice little area over there. What I am going to do is I'm going to go back into that projects over here. We're also going to add a border radius, and that border radius will make 20 pixels. Check that out. Cool. That looks good. You can see they're kind of scrunched, so maybe I do also, maybe I just changed this to a grid gap. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We do have a little bit, it's a little crowded at the bottom, so we'll go back into that project over here, and we're going to add a margin bottom, and let's do 30 pixels. boxes over here. They're even still a little close. So maybe I make this 20. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. That looks pretty good. I think that's a good stopping point for you right now. Feel free, you really should be adding your websites inside of these. So add a button, add a link. There are video tutorials on all of those. But that is it. That's how we took something from our design over here and then recreated it over here. All right, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.